Good morning. My name is Rachel and I'm here this morning to welcome you to What Happens Wednesday. And on What Happens Wednesday, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a piece of paper out of my basket, and after I choose the piece of paper, I will read it. The piece of paper is going to be a note that someone has passed to you. And after I read the note, I'm going to improv 4 possible story ideas based on that note. At the end of our session, I am going to give you a worksheet where I have outlined the 4 different ideas, and then I invite you to finish the stories. You can finish the stories in 5 minutes as a mini book using my mini book technique. You can finish the stories in 10 minutes using my tilt method, or you can use any method that you would like to finish the stories. So let's get started. Presenting the basket of notes, and these are all scrambled up. I don't know which one is which. I'm reaching down and I'm choosing this one. Put the basket away for next week. And the note that we received today is, do you remember my husband, Doug? Okay, let's get started. I'm going to improv 4 story ideas and then you can take it home. Let's start with our character, and let's say our first character's name is Anna. Anna is an agent doing research at a couple's retreat. She's pretending to be a maid by day, and at night she's just trying to relax. One evening, she sneaks out to the pool where she sees her old English teacher. Oh no, she thinks. She doesn't want to blow her cover. So she pretends to be someone else. To the woman, she says, do you remember my husband, Doug? Dot, dot, dot. We could also take this story in another direction. Let's say that we have Benjamin. Benjamin is at a party with his cute new girlfriend. It's the first time she's meeting his new friends, his friends. And he's a little bit nervous about what they might think of her. She's not his usual type. She arrives and he starts making introductions. But she suddenly stops him, takes a big swig of wine, and points at the man by the bar. Do you know my husband, Doug? ... Let's take the story in another direction. Let's say we have someone, and let's say that her name is Cece. Cece is working at a department store, selling shoes. Suddenly, there's an earthquake. She wakes up in a hospital, and her nurse is named Doug. He asks her if she can remember anything. She tells him about the last pair of shoes that she sold. And then she says, Do you remember my husband, Doug? And let's go for one more story idea here. And let's say for the next story concept, let's use a blue marker. And let's say for this one, we have Daniel. And Daniel is out playing golf. And he suddenly remembers that he was supposed to be the one picking up the kids today. His ex will be horrified if the school calls her. He quickly calls his brother, Doug, and begs him to stop by. I'm not on the pickup list, am I? Says Daniel. Who cares? Says Daniel. We've still got that twin thing going on. dot, dot, dot. So there you go. So I have done the write the ending segment for you. We have our 4 different concepts. We have Anna. She is doing some secret research. In her case, the husband, Doug, is someone she has to kind of invent in the moment. We have Benjamin. In this case, the husband, Doug, is someone his new girlfriend has not disclosed to him yet, but uh-oh, he's there at the party. We have Cece. Cece has been in an unfortunate accident. In this case, the husband, Doug, may not even be a husband. Doug is the name of her nurse, and she's asking, do you remember my husband, Doug? And then we also have Daniel, and Daniel is a twin, and his twin is named Doug. And we are guessing that at some time in the future of this story, Daniel's ex-wife may go to the school and say, who picked up my kids? Was it my ex-husband, Doug? Do you remember my ex-husband, Doug? Anyway, 4 fun, different starting points. Of course, you can always start with your own. I encourage you to download the starter sheet that I have for you. You will find a write-up for each of the ideas, along with some tips on how to get your story started. Thanks for being here with me today. I can't wait to see the endings that you come up with. Drop a note in the comments and let me know. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.